Welcome to our channel Factful Horizon. Today we can learn some bits on RRB Group D. The first question: what is the total railway track length in India? Options: A 50,000 kilometers, B 1,20,000 kilometers, C 90,000 kilometers, D 1 lakh kilometers. The correct answer option B 1,20,000 kilometers. Second question: in which year was Indian Railways nationalized? Options: A 1947, B 1951, C 1955, D 1960. The correct answer option B 1951. Third question: how many railway zones are there in India? Options: A 16, B 17, C 18, D 19. The correct answer C 18. Fourth question: which of the following is India's first bullet train project? Options: A Mumbai Ahmedabad, B Delhi Kolkata, C Chennai Bangalore, D Mumbai Pune. The correct option A Mumbai Ahmedabad. Fifth question: what is the full form of IRCTC? Options: A Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation. Option B Indian Railways Construction and Transport Corporation. Option C International Railway Cargo and Transport Corporation. Option D Indian Railway Communication and Transport Corporation. The correct answer option A Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation. Sixth question: what is the speed limit of Vande Bharat? Options: A 120 kilometers per hour, option B 130 kilometers per hour, option C 160 kilometers per hour, option D 180 kilometers per hour. The correct answer option C 160 kilometers per hour. Which train runs between India and Pakistan? Options: A Samjita Express, B Maitri Express, C Tar Express, D both A and C. Correct answer option D both A and C. Which Indian city has the first metro railway system? Options: A Delhi, B Bangalore, C Mumbai, D Kolkata. The correct option D Kolkata. Ninth question: what is the emergency helpline number of Indian Railways? Options: A 139, option B 112, option C 100, option D 108. The correct answer option A 139. 10th question: what is Kavach in Indian Railways? Options: A NU Express train, option B an AI powered railway management system, option C an automatic train protection system, option D a new railway ticketing system. The correct answer option C an automatic train protection system. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.